Now here is another headline. We are moving on. Gunfight has erupted between militants and security forces in South Kashmir. The village is called as Aura village near the Wild Sanctuary. The encounter has begun just 1 hour back, and we are right now joined by our correspondent Mr. Shahid Habib. Shahid, tell us about this gunfight which has erupted between militants and government forces, and also tell us what is the number of militants.
Yes, Imran, as you rightly said, that there is an encounter going on between the security forces and the militants at Aura village of Pahalgam. As the initial report, 3 militants are trapped inside a residential house. Army and other security forces have been rushing to the spot.
Mr. Shahid, can you tell us that are these militants from Lashkar-e-Taiba or Hizbul Mujahideen? Are there some inputs with you?
No, there is no such information coming to us.
Okay. Mr. Habib, another news which is coming from this encounter spot is that some people have actually approached to the site and they are pelting stones. How far is this true?
Yes, there are reports that there are some people who are creating inconvenience for the police and the other paramilitary forces. They are protesting outside the operation and they are creating hindrances for the forces there.
Okay, Mr. Shahid, tell us that is this operation still going on, or has this been called off for the night because of low light conditions and bad weather conditions? What are inputs with you?
Right now the operation is still going on, but due to the bad conditions and the bad weather, the operation may be called off for the night and will be starting in the next morning.
Okay, Mr. Shahid Habib, thank you for joining us. Dear viewers, we would tell you that the residents of Salah and adjacent villages on Sunday evening, as the encounter has begun in Pahalgam, the residents are approaching towards an encounter site in Aura village. What police is saying that they have cordoned off this whole area, and following the information of about the presence of militants in the area. And what our correspondent Mr. Shahid Habib was telling us that people have took to the streets and they are staging protests against this encounter, and they are trying to help the militants to get escape from the cordon. Thank you very much, Mr. Shahid Habib.
Today, food poisoning incident was reported in Chek Watu Noor Abad, Kulgam, where one 8-year-old child identified as Adnan Shafi died due to food poisoning. As per reports, after eating, Adnan felt ill and reported pain in his visceral organs. Family took Adnan to local hospital where he died.
यह सब बुज मकई तो दिस माजे उन बचन एक बचन दित पत 4-5 बचन थे मगर ये लोग ना इस पता ये अतमस क्या वो दी क्या सब दलील आग बच गो डेढ़ तो बाकी ची यत
कौन को तो
गो तो ऐसे वो यूर
हॉस्पिटल
वही गो आग बच खुदाया सवाल.
Later, similar symptoms were also seen in more than 7 children in the same area, reports Vani Majid from Kulgam for Kashmir Crown.
Srinagar, a valedictory function was organized by Motor Vehicle Department as the district level program under 28th Road Safety Week concluded here today. Divisional Commissioner Kashmir Bashir Ahmad Khan was the chief guest on the occasion, and the other senior officers were present on the occasion.
मैं आपके चैनल के वसादत से ये लोगों को कहना चाहूँगा कि हमारे जो अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स हैं ये साल भर चलते रहते हैं, और हालांकि इस साल यहाँ गड़बड़ी रही फिर भी हमने करीब 400 प्रोग्राम जो है हमारे रिकॉर्ड्स के मुताबिक किए हैं.
On the occasion, prizes were distributed among the winners of the symposium held during the celebration. With Sohail Naik, this is Ashik Mir for Kashmir Ground.
The people of Patnur Hargam Tral today protested against the Public Health Engineering Department for failing to provide acute water supply to the area from last 2 months, according to the locals. The village is facing huge water scarcity, which gives tough time to the residents. It has been almost 2 months that the area is without water. Due to careless attitude of the department, the issue was not addressed, even after giving several reminders to the concerned authorities. The locals said while talking to Kashmir Crown.
दौड़ चूल बिल्कुल मजूर यम सुबह 8 बजे नेरन 7 बजे वापस आन बांगी नेरन चांगी वापस वल्ला तो बिल्ला अन्न गड़ खसान दब लगन मगर घर वात तन त्रेश तह अमे त्रेशन खतर जबरदस्त मजबूर यानी जन कि 23 पाइप दिख रात तम आई खटि थवन तिम पाइपन वो कह बूझ.
The residents also urged the higher officials to personally look into the matter as early as possible so that local people will not suffer more.
यहाँ तकरीबन 55 चूल्हे ये 55 चूल्हों पर मुश्तमिल है और यहाँ तकरीबन जो पिछले 2 महीने से यहाँ पर पानी नहीं है. पानी बिल्कुल नहीं है, पीने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. 2 किलोमीटर जाना पड़ता है दूर और वहाँ से पानी हासिल करते हैं हम लोग. यहाँ बर्फ का भी मसला है. यहाँ रास्ते जो है कुछ रास्ते बर्फ से ढके हैं और हमें बिल्कुल रास्ता नहीं है कि हम वहाँ से पानी हासिल अच्छी तरह कर सके. लिहाजा ये बात मेहरबानी करके आपकी वसातत से हम मुतल्लिका हुकाम तक पहुँचाना चाहते हैं कि हमारे लिए कोई खातिर का पानी का अरेंजमेंट.
सरकार कश्मीर के हर घर में पानी फराहम करने का बुलंद बांग दावे कर रही है. वहीं जनूबी कश्मीर के त्राल अजला के गांव हरगाम बटनूर में पिछले 2 महीने से लोग पानी की एक बूंद के लिए तरस रहे हैं. अब देखने वाली बात यह होगी कि मुतल्लिका हुकाम उनको पानी फराहम करने में कब तक कामयाब होगी. कैमरा पर्सन सफूरा भट्ट के साथ में बशारत रशीद, कश्मीर क्राउन न्यूज त्राल.
Orphans in Need, an international charity, distributed 300 food kits among 300 families in Creedy Patani district Baramulla today. Event was held in presence of Tehsildar Creedy, Mr. Tariq, BMO Creedy, Dr. Bashir, and Orphans in Need Regional Manager Umar Mukhtar Wani. Orphans in Need are currently distributing 4,000 food kits monthly in different areas of Kashmir. Regional Manager Orphans in Need, Mr. Umar Mukhtar Wani, announced that these types of distributions will take place in future as well to help needy orphans and widows. Wani Majid reports for Kashmir Crown. Chief Electoral Officer Jammu and Kashmir, Shantamanu, today said that the number of voters is increasing day by day in Jammu and Kashmir. He appreciated the role of men and machinery in conducting smooth polls always in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and also pledged that the commission would conduct smooth poll process in future as well. While addressing media, Shantamanu was flanked by Joint Chief Electoral Officer Dr. Raman Kumar and other officers. In his address, Chief Electoral Officer of Jammu and Kashmir told that in comparison to last year, many more voters have registered their names in voter list. Reports Wani Majid for Kashmir Crown.